office jong ka district handloom officer nin kasngi ka nriu trek uluber kala penlong ya ka program ka bakerpang ya ka balatip kum ka looms and link ka badei ka ransan ban kentiu ye kin nong than jan bat kin nong thir ksai kum ju ro ban pen pau per the ye ki jan ki bala than leng ba ka yeu ka bala pen inam ka ba ars ngi lenter ka balong ru shibenta ban kentiu ye ki kam than jing than bat ki kam thir ksai kham tam hari boy district ya ka ne ka program lawan ban plido principal secretary ka tana textile u Bah F.S Kharkongor kum ukong san ha ka jingya don rangkat lang u deputy commissioner ka riboy district u Abhilash Baranwal kum usumbut kong san ka kong RM Loy director ka tana handloom ka kong Monica Lengdo zonal head ka tana handloom u ba Daniel CM u fashion designer u bala pau ha ka jella ka kong DP tariang ka district handloom officer lembat kiwi ki officer ha rangkat ki self help group bat kinong thanjain na ka district
like all the ones in the program. It is a program which is very different, very important. It's called Looms and Links. And if you look at the banner, the byline is where heritage meets horizon. What does this mean? That we all know that India, itu berubah India dari sebentar juga culture ini dari smart sen, but nalian juga but ini bukan kalau segi national atau segi international layo atau national atau international regulation, umumnya di kontrak ini kalau merumuskan balik tahun previous year. We have received GI recognition, but when you are GI recognition, to obtain GI recognition is not an easy task. However, the fact that India has been recognized by your GI, that shows the world's recognition. Spark pemikiran Hune. But lembang dengan GI, kalau pemikiran susu yang enam yang berburam yang dengan India pemikiran Hune. What ada itu Prime Minister, group agama kibat, program kibat, program kibat. Antara Prime Minister melakukan sekarang GI recognition. Ayo ke India, kami apa dinaya. But ini kan bagi where heritage meets horizon. Kemudian kita sakut, hak ini ka jelas lagi. Kemudian kita sakut hak ini ka district revise lagi. Jadi kaki gue di district di Batam. Kemudian enam telapor, bertelakio, jadi segmen, terus horizons. Kamu ini program ini sudah untuk kita makin expand ya ke horizon ini. Ini should be target. We should not think small anymore. We should think beyond our borders, beyond national borders, beyond international and up to international borders. But MNCM is one fashion designer who has taken India. He has been an ambassador of India. Has taken the India to international platforms, right from Milan to Turkey to London and to various places. In Milan, we were there. And it is a growing interest. Many people natural, eco-friendly. Ethic resource, non-violence, natural dyes. We use natural colors. There is something about encouraging people bagi dibuat jadi from India's way. Bagi kita attractive. But the next video, we have people power markets. synthetic dyes, chemical dyes, but you don't side effect around to come there. Mereka ni nak ni birong yang kemarin, yang diserai, dah bagi kiri bijak. But balai mereka, but berjaya, ia kan livelihood. Jadi kita ia jenis dia jenis kita, ia ki women weavers, no? Macam Nasional kita Women's Day, right? But kalau kita sudah bagi celebrate Women's Day rumah, ini kalau women activity kalau predominantly done by the women weavers, kai juntre, kai junta, kai livelihood, lagi intent. But within them, technical statistics, ini kalau agriculture and breeding, kaya 50,000 people gave livelihood